Hi, Year 10. Today we're going to be looking at Pythagoras Theorem. Now, I want you to see if you can figure out Pythagoras Theorem, but I'm going to give you a few hints on how to do it. Okay, so you've got a worksheet, I think it's page 6 and 7 in your booklet, and it's got some right angle triangles on it, okay? Now, what I'd like you to do is I'd like to label the right angle triangles. Now, if this is a right angle, the angle that's directly opposite it, I want you to call it C. Okay, and the other two you can call them A and B, and it doesn't matter really which one's which. Okay, so I'm going to call this one A and this one B. And all I want you to do is I want you to measure A, I want you to measure B, and I want you to measure C. Okay, and I want you to see if you can find some sort of relationship between them all. And if you can, that's great, and if you can't, don't worry. Then what I want you to do is I want you to find out what A squared is, I want you to find out what B squared is, and I want you to find out what C squared is. And then I want you to see if you can find a relationship between them. Okay? And once you find a relationship, be it between A, B, or C, or A squared, B squared, and C squared, I want you to write a private comment to either myself or Miss Humes, depending on who your teacher is, and tell me what you think the relationship is. And that relationship will be Pythagoras Theorem. Okay? Good luck.